When it comes to our world, one of the curious phenomena is that predictive capabilities, data, software, is starting to outperform us as humans. Now, one of the perhaps shining examples when it comes to this is that of the Uber application. When you click a button on Uber, a tremendous number of predictive models, which are consuming data, are firing into place. The opportunity for that driver to maximize their profit, the drop-off point that you're going to, the current history of traffic within that city, within that day, potential events that might be taking place, other opportunities of other services that the company is running, for example, delivering food. All of these predictive capabilities are firing. And in fact, this corporation is well known for running 1 million predictions per second. Being able to harness the data, put it in place, run these predictive capabilities, and be able to optimize that trip, profit, do the optimization that is required for all of the resources and all of the gains. Operational intelligence and better decision making is something that no human would be able to do. So when it comes to our capacity to be able to leverage these resources, it is a tremendous opportunity. However, in order to be able to realize that, you need to be able to put in place the modern data stack. You need to be able to develop the capabilities to build predictive models and to be able to put that into play, not just on operations, but on insight as well. So that's a tremendous opportunity. When it comes to our capacity as humans, we're pretty talented, right? We have transformed our world. However, when it comes to our ability to think through complexity and to be able to go through potentially hundreds of abstractions that we need to go through and make an optimal decision, this is something that we're somewhat limited on. If you think about the route that a delivery vehicle needs to navigate through to be able to deliver a package, you have school schedules, you have roadway conditions that might change, you have weather that might come into play, you have potential new projects that have been proposed to the town that are routing cars to different areas of the town. You have limitations on the driver schedule. You have limitations of when that person is at home. You have a number of criteria that come into place. And if you quantify all of the potential possibilities of how this could be done, you quickly exceed, you go into the billions, trillions, etc. It's a number that is so horrible that it takes up about half a page. Those are the possibilities that you have to think through if you are trying to make the best delivery. That is something that a machine can do, given the historical data, given the input from traffic, given the restrictions of the person that's receiving the package. And it can make a prediction that is optimal. This is something that no human would be able to do. And if you were to find one, you typically do at corporations. This is a person that has been in the field for 50 years and has so much knowledge that they can do it. However, here, you're not limited to the one person that is so valuable. You are making that accessible to all, and you can scale this resource, and you can leverage the resource in a way that you could never do the handful of experts that you have.